So today we have with us a great personality who has done immensible works and has contributed lots to our Mangalore city. He is none other than the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank, Mr. Mahabaleshwar MS. It's really a great pleasure to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Even though the development of roads come under the purview of the state, to be more specific in this case, National Highways Authority of India, what do you think has motivated Karnataka Bank to take up this wonderful initiative?
Yeah. All of us know that Karnataka Bank is the pride of Karnataka state. And we have started our banking journey in this city of Mangalore about 97 years back. So we will be celebrating our centenary year by 23-24. To mark that celebration in an innovative and very useful and long-lasting way, what we have done is we have started some contribution to our own native city, that is Mangalore. So keeping that in mind, we have also studied the requirement of barricading along the national highway for about 3 kilometers from our KPT to Karnataka Polytechnic Circle to our Nantur Cross and here up to this Mahavira flyover. So this measures about 3 kilometers, and this entire stretch of 3 kilometers we have provided the barricading. The reason is that a lot of accidents and even the loss of human life was also happening at that particular point of time. So when we interacted with the local administration, they have requested us to take up this particular activity. And of course, our National Authority of India, the local project director, Mr. Shishu Mohan, he has also extended all the help that is required. So we had undertaken this barricading. Along with that barricading, what we have done is developed the garden also. So that is some contribution to the aesthetic beauty of this particular city. So as an extended action of that particular activity, what we have now done is this particular connecting pathway. We have developed this as a beautiful garden, and you could see this that entire stretch of this highway, the four sides of this particular flyover. We have done the painting as well as a lot of the art. This art, you may be knowing that this is called as Varli art.
This Varli art is the treasure of Indian tribal culture, and we are very happy to introduce this to the city of Mangaluru in close association with our insurance partner, Messrs. Universal Sompo General Insurance Company.
So Varli art. So we have tied up with one of the local artists, Aditattva Arts, and they have provided all these things. And the most important thing is this is done during the COVID period. So it has not only served our the beautification of the city and contribution to the city, but it has also provided the much required support to the artist also. So that is what we have done. So I'm happy that Karnataka Bank has been able to provide all these things which are long lasting, which are going to add to the beauty of the city. And let us say in due course, we have another 2 years to celebrate our centenary year. So by that time, I think we should be able to contribute in a still greater measures.
Wow, it's really great indeed. So, in what ways do you think that people will be benefited by this initiative?
Yeah, see, as I said, it all adds to the aesthetic beauty of the city. So we Mangaloreans definitely can take pride of that. See, Karnataka Bank is the pride of Mangalore city. Now it is having branches across India. So this type of initiative, we can send a very positive signal across India, how a smart city can be developed with the participation of the private institutions, banks, as well as whether other local institutions like that. So that is the message that we can send across the nation, so that a local participation, if it is there, then naturally it will add to the beauty of the city. The most important thing that what I would like to convey during this particular hour is people also should recognize this. They should not opt for defacing it by posting the posters and all such things. So it is a collective responsibility of all we citizens to ensure that this particular the beautification work, whatever that Karnataka Bank has done, it is there for quite a long period. That is the moral and collective responsibility of all of us.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Karnataka Bank has contributed lots through its social relevant causes, through its corporate social responsibility initiatives. We wish you all the best for your future projects and endeavors, sir.
Thank you.
May
Thank
you
you.
continue this good job in this direction. Thank you so much.